Nature's fury is causing chaos in Chile. Blizzard on the streets of Magallanes. Chile's capital Santiago was hit by rare snowfall this weekend. The result is chaos and blackouts. At least 250,000 people cannot access electricity because snow piles cut off the local cable network. Weather experts say this is Santiago's worst snowfall since 2007. It snowed as the city and surrounding area endured the unusually cold weather. In addition to the power outage, the weather has caused traffic disruptions in the capital and several sporting events have been postponed. However, the massive snowfall this time was not bad news for everyone. Thousands of children went outdoors to make snowmen and throw snowballs.